Friends, if your extension is already spoiled and then it's burn or cable problem or anything, it's not working, you can easily repair in the house, so you no need to throw. So you need to open the all screw and then check actually what is the problem. Normally it's not a big issue, but some people, if the extension is not working, they straight away throw in the rubbish. But I am going to open this one and show you how you can easily repair if there is any burning issue or cable issue, everything you can get in this video. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So we will see how. We open all the screw first. So we open already all the screw. Then I put one side all the screws so it will not missing. Then now you can see it's already burn here. Then as you can see here, the neutral cable is already loose, and then that's why it's burn. So we need to take out this cable first. So that is the connections you can see here. This one is the light, and then this one is the actually neutral, and then this one is the live, and then this one is the grounding. So that is very simple. We just clean the all connector and then put back our cable to its work. So you can see here, if you cannot put here in the screw, if I show you, if you cannot put in the screw, you can joint here anywhere, or joint here if the screw is spoiled. So you can joint here with this power cord. So let's continue and then we see how. So now you can see connection is ready. You can see here the neutral is done, grounding is done, and then live is done, and then button also we fixed already. You can see all the button we fixed already in the same position. Then now we need to put the cover. So before we close, we just have a test first, so there is no any doubt that working or no. So we just off the switch all. So we test first. You can see now got light here, then got light, then this one got light. So all it's working. You can see the lights all. So better we can repair in the house. So now you can see it's working all. We fix back the all screw and then we will use easily. So we fix the screw turn it back, then put the screw. Okay friends, so hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new updates. Thank you.